major takeaways from this FDP are understanding the role of mentorship, IDP in the development of the students, grooming of students, and to know how to use case analysis in management education.
One of the best things that I see, and that has been very categorically discussed in our FDP, is the mentoring process that we will be taking our students through, which will be a 3-level mentoring process where we will be making the student interact along with the faculty members with the industry mentors.
I feel that the schedule is really very hectic, but then I feel it's okay because the kind of learning which we are having is beyond expectation. The program which we attended last year, this year it's bigger, better in terms of industry speakers, in terms of academics. I myself is enjoying very much. I think I'm a converted soul already.
Primarily, stop teaching, start facilitating the students, and be there as a mentor and friend, and help them around as much as possible. Give them an experience which is memorable all their life, make a difference in their life. That's the primary takeaways, and I'm mostly concentrated on the fact that it's becoming very student-centric, and which is quite interesting.
The session which also emphasized on mentoring and the facilitation styles was something which everybody enjoyed, and some experts really give brilliant ideas and they really engage the faculty into a discussion. Even technical topics were handled so well.
We have also invited Swami Chitrupananda, who is the head of Chinmaya Mission in Delhi. So he gave a very total holistic view, that a guru, what guru has to do. Because we say that we just want to impart knowledge or the information, but that is not education. How it can be blended with the life skills and being self-aware. So we had that session as well, and then we had many technical sessions, such as how to do teaching learning effectiveness, how to do effective mentoring, how to do academic administration and delivery in a very effective way.
Nearly 100 faculty members from 4 campuses of the institute, from 4 different regions altogether. The experience of seeing the entire Jaipuria academic fraternity under one roof is amazing. What we've been able to achieve in last 3 days is quite meaningful, quite constructive, and I think we get a shared purpose of direction after completion of the FDP.